Question number 2. The given specimen is rose. Androecium. Androecium is the male reproductive part of a flower, which consists of one or more stamens. Each stamen typically consists of a filament and an anther, with the anther containing the pollen grains that are necessary for fertilization. The androecium is responsible for producing and dispersing the male gametes, which are necessary for sexual reproduction in flowering plants. Gynoecium. Gynoecium refers to the female reproductive organs of the flower. It is typically located in the center of the flower and is made up of one or more carpels. Each carpel contains an ovary, which houses the ovules that will eventually develop into seeds. The gynoecium also includes the stigma and style, which are responsible for receiving and transporting pollen from the male reproductive organs of other flowers. Inflorescence. Inflorescence is a term used to describe the arrangement of flowers on a plant. It refers to the way in which flowers are grouped together on a stem or branch. There are many different types of inflorescence, including spikes, racemes, panicles, umbels, and heads. The type of inflorescence can be used to help identify different plant species. For example, a sunflower has a head-type inflorescence called capitulum. Sessile flower. A sessile flower refers to a flower that is directly attached to the stem or branch without the presence of a stalk or peduncle. In other words, it lacks a distinct stem or stalk that separates the flower from the main plant structure. Sessile flowers are typically found in clusters or individually attached directly to the plant, and they do not have the ability to move or sway like flowers with stalks. Question number 3. The given specimen is typical vertebra of frog. Question number 4. A. Transverse section of 48 hours chick embryo. B. Transverse section of artery. C. Volvox. D. Tapeworm. E. Salamander. A. Important characters of transverse section of 48 hours chick embryo. 1. Clear head and neck regions will be formed. 18 to 20 pairs of somites are present which are developed from mesoderm. 2. Neural tube will be slightly visible. Heart is present on the right side. B. Important characters of transverse section of artery. 1. 3 layers are present. Muscle wall is thick and elastic. 2. Lumen is smaller than the vein. C. Important characters of volvox. 1. It is unicellular individual lives in colonial form. Single volvox cell is ellipsoid, hollow having mucilage layer at outer boundary. 2. It has a pair of flagella at its anterior side. Contractile vacuoles are also present at the base of flagella. D. Phylum of tapeworm. Tapeworms belong to the phylum Platyhelminthes, which is also known as flatworms. They are characterized by their flat, ribbon-like bodies and parasitic lifestyle, often found in the intestines of vertebrate hosts. E. Class of salamander. Salamanders belong to the class Amphibia, which includes amphibians. They are characterized by their moist skin, ability to live both on land and in water, and undergo metamorphosis from aquatic larvae to terrestrial adults.